Hi, thanks for taking the time to check out Kristi's Coaching for Hire. I understand you probably already have goals and an amazing business plan, and they're working great for you, right? Oh, if not, we need to talk about our next accountability class. This workshop is done in a group setting, and it's designed to help you establish or go back to the basics. By the way, I have top producers that take this 4-week class at least 2 or 3 times a year just to make sure they're still on top of their game. Let me touch on a few of the topics. We're going to help you set some goals. We're also going to help you establish a monthly budget. In addition, we're going to talk about all types of marketing. You know, the mailers, the flyers, the videos, social media, and so on. You know, all of that. But if you're already slaying all of those, congratulations. So if you have room to grow, please give me a call so we can do a free consultation. Now let's get growing.